Yo guys, welcome back to another episode of Pair of the Week, your favorite trader, the Ruff Trader. Let's get it, family. You know, we did dropping the hottest pair for the week. So the pair of the week is USDJPY. So we are looking at USDJPY. So let's go to our charts. So this is USDJPY. You know how we do, we try to determine the direction of the market. We try to check for the trend on the higher time frame to know where the price is heading. Then we go down to the smaller time frame to filter a possible entry on the market. So today is Monday. So let's see what's happening. You all know I don't trade on Mondays. So we go to the higher time frame to check for the direction. So this is the weekly time frame. The weekly time frame is quite bearish. The daily time frame is bullish. Okay, let's do this with our part 2. Check for the direction. Price has been trending down for some time on USDJPY, creating highs, lower highs, lower low, lower highs, lower low. So this was where price changed direction to a bullish momentum. So we currently have a higher low here and we have a higher high here. So let's zoom in to see what's currently happening on this area. So this is the recent higher high here. This is the most recent higher low here because price hasn't broken below this higher low here. So we'll consider it still a bullish market. And price hasn't broken above this area here to create a new higher high. So this market is still bearish on USDJPY. So now let's mark our area of interest. Maybe we check for structures first to know where the market is trending or the current trend of the market. So now let's check for area of interest. So what I do is I just draw my box. So I check for most recent touches on this area. So you guys can see. Okay, I have a sell pressure here. I have a little buy pressure here. I have a buy pressure here and I have a buy pressure here. So what I do is I connect them together. So I connect them together. So this zone is an important zone because we have frequent touches on the zone. We have a touch here, we have another one here, we have another touch here, we have another touch here, another touch. That's to tell you this area is very, very important. It's an important area. So that's a zone because we have frequent touches. We add frequent touches on that zone. So on that area, so it's called a zone. So what I do next, I mark my psychological key level. So the idea of technical analysis is combining multiple confirmations to get a proper setup to look to enter to filter a proper entry in the market. So when you don't see what you're looking for, just stay out of the market. You don't need to force the market. So the most recent one is 144. Yeah. So what I do is I put my PKL. So PKL means psychological key level. So this is probably the next structural area where because we have a series of touches here too. So let's go to the smaller time frame. And what pattern do you guys notice here? I think I can see something like a double bottom, which is a bullish pattern on this area. Double bottom, which is a bullish pattern. Something like this. The first bottom, the neckline, second bottom. And you see retest of the neckline, then you push to the upside. So price is bullish on the daily time frame, also creating a double bottom on the daily time frame. So let's see what the 4 hours is also telling us. Okay, the 4 hour is also bullish, which is a very good news. The daily is bullish, the 4 hour is bullish. 2 time frames are in sync, which is a very, very good one. So the 4 hour is also bullish. And currently price has formed something we call a pin bar and a bullish candlestick engulf the pin bar. So we can still call the combination of these 3 candlesticks a morning star candlestick. We have the bearish candlestick here, we have the pin bar, and we have the bullish engulfing bar. So we call this a morning star candlestick. It's an important candlestick. So now can you see we have like our double bottom here, the first bottom, the second bottom, the neckline, price retested, and to the upside. So We might see something like this happen here. Price might just come down, retrace a little. We'll filter an entry, then we'll take it right to this side. So where's our long two? So always wait for your profile confirmation before you execute an entry. Always wait before you execute an entry. So let's go to Forex Factory to check out the fundamentals that could affect this market. So this is our Forex Factory. So okay, on Tuesday we have news on JPY, on JPY around 12:45 a.m. BOJ policy rates. So that's Bank of Japan, BOJ. Okay, we have news on USD 230 corrective sales. Let's check for more news for the week. We have news on GBP, important news. So the red folder news are the important news. When you open your Forex Factory, we've got the FOMC coming up later this week on Wednesday. On Thursday, you have news on CHF. You have news on GBP. Okay. So you can just tune into your Forex Factory to check out for these things. So this is what we are looking out for on USDJPY. We'll wait for a possible retracement to the downside. Then boom, we'll take it to the upside. So that's that on the pair of the week on USDJPY. So let's make this more interesting. Just tell me what pair you want me to analyze in the comment section. So let's get the family. So that's that. Stay your family. Peace out.